Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Friday, January the 31st, 2020. We have in this newspaper two beautiful Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. We will start first with the Sudoku Light. So let's get started. I see here a 1 in this column, a 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be here. And then a 1 in the last row, a 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here already a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 2 is here and there. But I see here already a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for a 2 is here and there. But I see here already a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Need to think. Let me continue with the 3. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 is here. Then a 3 in the third row, a 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 is here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. Then 2. No. Yes, 2 missing numbers in the second column. The numbers are 7 and 9. 7 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes. Then 2 missing numbers here. The numbers are 6 and 5. 6 and 5. The same. 6 and 5. Here, 6 and 5 in the second row. 6 and 5. That means in this big square, 1 digit left for the 8. This should be an 8. Yes. Let me see. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 digit left in the last column for the number 5, I believe, yes. 1 digit left for this big square. For the number 6, now we have a 6 here. So I remember those 2 numbers are 5 and 6. Now we have a 5. Now we have a 6 here. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 digit left for this column for the number 5. 2 digit left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 here, 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row. The middle row, the 2 numbers are 8 and 6. I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. 3 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 8 is missing. In this column, the 8 is missing and the 4 is missing. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 2. 2 missing numbers in this column for the number 2 and 8. Yes, 2 and 8. I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and 5. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there. So 6 and 5. We have a 5 there. So no 5 here. 5 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 6 there. No 6 here. 6 should be there. And the 9 goes there. The final 2 numbers of this big square, the number 9 and 4. We have here a 9. So no 9 there, 9 should be there, and the 4 goes there. So we finish this in exactly 10 minutes or less. So thank you for watching. I will see you later for the Sudoku Heavy. Bye bye.